Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you the setup I am using for this video series so that it will be easier for you to follow along. So let's get started. Firstly, I'll be using VS Code because it is easy to learn, and if you're just getting started, this is the perfect tool for you. It gives you a lot of features. So I'll be using VS Code for this course. And another thing that you need to install is Node.js. I already have it installed in my system. And we're not going to use any feature directly from Node, but it will be required for one of the extension that we are going to use in VS Code. And if I show you the extensions here, the only extension we require for this course will be Code Runner, and it allows you to run the code directly in the code editor itself. So you don't have to go to any browser or anywhere. You'll just be able to do basic stuff in here. At last, we'll create a new project, and that's all. See you in the next video to get started with the course. Thanks for watching.